Hello everyone, my name is Faris Al Harbi, and here's my final project on control system class. And I'm a senior student at Arkansas Tech, and I'm majoring in mechanical engineering. Uh, Here's my final project about the DC motor. Today I'm going to talk about an introduction of DC motor and the construction of DC motor. Also, I'm going to talk about the types of DC motor. Also, I'm going to show the working principle of a DC motor and the advantages of a DC motor. So, a DC motor is a machine which converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. A DC motor also is a fairly simple electrical motor that uses electricity and a magnetic field to produce torque, which turns the rotor and hence give mechanical work. And here's the construction of a DC motor. Field poles, frame, armature, commutator. The field poles. The pole show act as a support to the field coils and spread out the flux in the air gap and reduce the reluctance of magnetic field. The frame is the stationary part of a machine in which poles and rotor are stated. The armature consists of core and winding. It is built up of thin lamination of low-loss silicon steel. A commutator converts alternating voltage to direct voltage. The brushes and armature winding. The use of pressures is made for machines designed for large current at low voltage, and the winding must be designed with the most advantages utilization of the material in respect to weight and efficiency. There are three types of DC motors. The first type of DC motor is the DC shunt motor, and the second type of DC motor is the DC series motor, and finally the third type of the DC motors is the DC compound motor. First of all, I will talk about the shunt motor. Shunt motor in which the field winding is connected in parallel with the armature, as you can see in the uploaded diagram. And the second type here is the series motor, as it shows on the diagram. The series motor in which the armature and field winding are connected in series. And here's the third type of the DC motors, the compound motor. This type of motors has two field windings, one connected in parallel with the armature and the other in series with it. Now I'm going to talk about the working principle of DC motor. Whenever a current carrying conductor is placed in a magnetic field, it experienced a force whose directions is given by Fleming's left-hand rule. Also, it shows the field set up by the poles. It shows the conductor field due to flow of current in the conductors. And here's the advantage, some of the advantage of DC motor. There are like two main advantages: the high torque and the easy speed. Thank you for listening.